Hey guys, it's AZ Cabbie Mama here. Thanks for stopping by my doll room and my channel, and if you like Cabbies nearly half as much as I do, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the doll room. Just gonna do a quick pan around the room so you can see yet again, moving shelves, moving dolls. I put up another longer shelf over here for the Jesmars as my Jesmar collection has been expanding. I just got this little lemon-haired boy, Jesmar boy, an extreme TLC. He took a lot of work yesterday. He came in pretty filthy, smelling of cigarette smoke and hole in his back. He needed a lot of stitches repaired, but he's recovering nicely with his baldy brother who almost had his head severed in the washer the other day. So those two TLCs are looking adorable together. But anyway, yeah, so I put up this bigger shelf, which is actually part of a desk, an old desk we were getting rid of. I had to take apart to be able to put it in the garbage, and a few of the boards I was able to salvage and use for shelving in here. So I just got some brackets, and I feel like so good about repurposing things, less things going to landfills and whatnot. And that's another blackboard down there from that old desk that I repurposed as a shelf. So, you know, I spend enough on the Cabbies, so I try to keep things affordable and repurpose items whenever I can. But you can see, you know, how it's looking. I haven't moved too much over in that area. But yeah, I did change out that shelf there. That white cute shelf with the heart, which I loved it there, but it just wasn't big enough, is now over here. So I can have a couple more boxes there. And I moved my Sakuda boy over by the Sakuda wedding set and over the little sister set. So this will probably change down here. I just have those there for now, but just updating you on the changes in the doll room, ever evolving. Let's check out my unboxings for today now. Hey guys, just a quick unboxing for today. I just took you around the doll room so you could see a couple of changes I made in the doll room since last video. And I have two packages to open today, so I only was really expecting one. So this is the one I didn't know was coming today. This is a TLC, I believe. This is going to be the TLC. I haven't opened her, taken her out or anything, but I got a peek of the hair. And look at, she's coming out bottom first. Poor little thing. But anyway, this should be a TLC number 14 head mold Coleco girl that I have been waiting for over a week. So I'm pretty excited to see. Aw, yeah, she's definitely looking in some rough shape right now, but I'm gonna fix her up and she's gonna look great after she goes through mommy's bath camp and gets any stitches resewn that she needs and gets defuzzed in a nice dress. She's gonna be gorgeous. So we've got her, cutie. And then my other one that I was expecting that I was really excited about, guys, is this one, which is in box, and it's an anniversary. Ah, there goes that box. Put that anywhere. All right, but here we go. I didn't have a 30th anniversary kit. I had the 10th anniversary. I had the 20th, the 15th, and the 20th anniversary. So I wanted to get a 30th anniversary, and I got this little cutie. Her name is Casey Reagan. Look at that face, guys, with the freckles. I love her. She is so cute. She's got like a light red hair. She's just so pretty. So this was made by Jack's Pacific, the 30th anniversary kids, and I feel like I got her for a pretty good deal. I think I got her on Marketplace. So she's adorable, but that's all I've got for today. So I've got these two today, and I have to go start teaching classes. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and thanks for stopping by my doll room and my channel. Bye guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more great Cabbie videos, please like, subscribe, and share.